Welcome to our journey into the ancient world of the Maya civilization. Today, we explore Uxmal, one of the most beautiful and important archaeological sites in Mexico. Uxmal lies in the Yucatán Peninsula, about 60 kilometers south of Mérida. Founded around 700 AD, this city grew into a powerful center during the late Classic period. The name Uxmal means 3 times built, showing its long history of rebuilding and expansion. Uxmal is famous for its Puuc architectural style. Buildings here have smooth walls decorated with intricate carvings. Many designs show snakes, huts, and masks of the rain god Chaac, who is vital for farming in this dry region. The artistry of Uxmal makes it one of the finest examples of Maya architecture. The most iconic building is the Pyramid of the Magician. Unlike other pyramids, it has an oval shape. Legend says it was built overnight by a dwarf with magical powers. Next, the governor's palace stretches across a long platform, decorated with hundreds of symbols and masks. It also aligns with the stars, showing the Maya's deep knowledge of astronomy. Another highlight is the Nunnery Quadrangle, a grand complex of 4 palaces around a courtyard. Though named by the Spanish as a nunnery, it was actually a royal palace. And of course, Uxmal had a ball court, where the sacred Mesoamerican ballgame was played, symbolizing battles between gods of the underworld and heaven. Uxmal was rediscovered and studied by explorers in modern times. In 1933, a replica of the Nunnery Quadrangle was even displayed at the World's Fair in Chicago. Today, Uxmal is a popular tourist site, with sound and light shows that bring its history to life. In 1975, Queen Elizabeth II visited the site, marking its global importance. Uxmal is more than ruins. It is a living memory of the Maya people, their myths, their art, and their science. Its pyramids and palaces continue to inspire awe, reminding us of the brilliance of this ancient civilization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the ancient World Heritage sites.